Hi, welcome to Craftiosity, the subscription box of modern craft kits, and this is our candle making tutorial. For this one, we're using the microwave method with some lovely soy wax, so you can easily make these little guys at home. Enjoy the tutorial. We've got a microwavable container, 2 bags of soy wax, 2 tins, essential oils, wooden sticks, wicks and safety stickers. Key safety tips: be careful of the hot wax and containers, we don't want you to burn yourself, and stay and watch when you're microwaving the wax to ensure it doesn't burn. Pour 1 full bag of soy wax into the microwavable container and shake it out evenly. Microwave the wax in the container on full power for 30 seconds at a time. After each 30 seconds, check the wax so you can see when it's beginning to melt. Once the wax starts to melt, take it out of the microwave and stir it with one of the wooden sticks before returning. When there are only a few pieces of unmelted wax, microwave for 10 seconds so you don't overheat it. The whole thing should take no more than 3 to 4 minutes. For the bain-marie method, you'll need a saucepan and a heat-proof glass bowl or jug. The bowl or jug shouldn't be used for cooking after you've used it for candle making. Pour your full bag of soy wax into the heat-proof glass bowl or jug. Place the bowl into a pan of water and bring the water to boil. The wax will melt. Stir it with a wooden stick to help it along. Remember to use oven gloves as the bowl will become hot. Once the wax is melted, stop so that it doesn't overheat. You can either make mixed rosemary and lavender candles or one of each. Each candle uses an entire bottle of the essential oils, as the oil burns off when the candle is lit. Add the essential oils to the wax and slowly stir to mix them in. When stirring and pouring, try to avoid getting air bubbles into the wax. Slowly pour all the wax into one of the tins. Gently tap the side of the tin to remove any air bubbles. Repeat the above steps for your second candle. For each candle, give them a few minutes until they start to cloud over, then add in the wick. Place it in gently through the top of the wax and position it down to the bottom of the tin so it's centrally aligned. You can use one of the wooden sticks to help hold the wick in place while it sets, and leave the candles to dry overnight. Once they're dry, trim the wicks to about 1/8 of an inch, so a few millimetres, and keep the wick trimmed to this length between lighting for the best burn. Add the safety stickers to the bottom of the candles, and remember to never leave a burning candle unattended. For best results, leave the candles to cure for a week before burning. This is a process where the fragrance and the soy wax will bind together. Enjoy your candles. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, you can subscribe to our channel or head on over to our website at craftiosity.co.uk to sign up to our newsletter for all kinds of crafty loveliness and to hear when our next newsletter is released.